This is Brian McGlenn with MarineMax, Stuart, Florida. Today we're going to take you through a new brokerage listing, a 2022 Sea Ray 310 SLX with twin Mercury 300 V8 outboards with roughly 140 hours. Single owner boat. This is how it's stored at all times when not in use. Dry stored out of the water, so the boat does not have bottom paint. As you can see, we actually have a custom canvas cover. Single piece cover, which makes it super easy, connects up to the hardtop to take on and off. Very, very clean boat, washed routinely. So we'll hop on board, take the cover off, and show you guys around. So we'll now step aboard the 2022 Sea Ray 310 SLX, take you guys through a quick walkthrough. As you can see here, starting on the back, we have the twin 300 engine upgrade with joystick control. Again, we have about 140 engine hours. Everything's in really nice shape, including the lower units. There's no paint missing or flaking off. As we step onto the boat, sea deck here on the transom is looking really nice. We do have the complete sea deck upgrade all the way through the entire boat. Engine cowlings look beautiful. We do have the stone interior package with flip-up backrests here in the back. So you have two backrests, one there and one off to the starboard. As we walk into the boat, you are greeted with a really expansive cockpit and social area. We have a removable teak table that is an upgrade that does pull out and stows away inside the aft compartment. As you can see here, all the upholstery is in nice condition. Sea Ray did an awesome job with some diamond stitching inlay. Off to the starboard side, we have a nice prep station, a little bit of storage, sink, and a refrigerator. Here's a good shot of the sea deck on the floor. Everything in the cockpit is in nice condition. This seat on the port side does spin around. So from a social aspect, you can turn it in the way facing aft, or you can flip it around facing forward as well. Moving up to the helm, we have the upgraded Simrad electronics package, Fusion audio, Bocatech switching, automatic trim tabs, Mercury throttles, and joystick. We do have digital switching to control systems like your pumps and aft sunshade. Off to the port side, well-equipped stainless steel sink, marine head, storage, and much more. There's a beautiful bow arrangement, windlass anchor, lots of great seating, lighting, freshwater washdown, and more. We'd love to take you through this boat in person or answer any of your questions. Please feel free to give us a call. My name is Brian McGlenn, MarineMax Stuart. You can reach me directly at 561-635-6811. Thank you again for watching.